last 28 and a half years of my life have been an absolute blast. But as with anything else, at some point, we must move on. One of the hardest things about transitioning to living on a boat, though, is figuring out what to do with a lifetime of shit. Well, according to many sailing YouTubers, it's simple. Just sell everything and go. I want to talk to y'all about one of the biggest fallacies out there in the sailing world. That is the notion that selling everything and moving onto a boat and sailing around the world is the easiest thing to do. Bull. Okay, so no, not quite true. In fact, I don't know how these people just sell everything. What does that mean? How do you just sell everything? Who buys it? I have so much stuff to get rid of. I have so many things to sell, and I don't even know where to begin. I don't know how to sell stuff. I'm probably one of the worst salesmen on earth because I feel like my stuff is good. And if you don't want to buy it, get out of here. I don't care. And that's the problem. I don't sell, you know? I don't sell stuff. I don't know what to do. So, hey, if you like my car, buy it. If you don't like it, get on. You know what I mean? That's not the good attitude. That's not a good attitude for a salesman. So I still have all this stuff that I don't need because it won't fit on this. Okay? It won't fit here. And if it doesn't fit here, I don't need it. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to sell things and move into this boat and sail around the world like all these other people do so easily.
But I should have figured it out. If you told me from the start that you're better, I would have been fine. Yeah, would have been fine. Then I would have been doing, I guess I would have had a good time. Had a good time. If you told me from the start that you're better, I would have been fine. Stupid eyes, and I know you're tired of me. That's what I
Yeah, selling everything, moving onto a boat, sailing the world. Yeah, how do you sell everything? All right, well, let's start with this. All right, I don't need it anymore. It's been great. It's been absolutely wonderful. It's still a perfect car. The only reason I'm getting rid of it is because I'm selling everything and sailing around the world like everybody else out there, right? So who wants this beauty? Come on, help me. Somebody. Somebody wants that beauty. If you don't want that, maybe you want this. Who wants this beauty? Okay? And if that's not your flavor, maybe you want a hoopty. Got those too. All right, a hoopty Volvo. All right? If you don't want that, and you want some real pulling power, Silverado 3500 dually. All right. So, bottom line is, I'm selling everything, and I'm getting on the boat, and I'm sailing around the world. So, help me out, people. Let's start with this. Do not send lowball offers. Do not even contact me with lowballs. All right. This is a beautiful car, worth every penny that you're gonna pay. I've had 3 lowball offers that I'm not even gonna entertain. I won't even say who they came from, but y'all suckers better step back, because this thing is way too pretty for y'all to be lowballing me. All right, get out of here. Get out of here. Get lost. Oh man, you know, I mean, don't even do it. Don't do it to yourself. Don't play yourself like that. If you want this car, you can have it, but don't lowball me. All right? No, we're not doing that. You know, come with a good offer and take the car. This car is beautiful, and I don't need it anymore. But I'm not gonna let y'all do that to me. No lowball offers. All right? I'm gonna start getting offended. It's 3. 4th one, we might have to do some damage control to your face. Okay, it's time to go get this boat ready. I'm out of here in a day and a half. And as you can see, I'm still in this beautiful car, which means I didn't sell it. So it's still for sale. If you're interested, come get it. All right, come get it. It's still beautiful, and it's still available. Yeah, you got my YouTube, so you can send me a message that you want to buy this car, and I'll make it happen. I'll throw you a lovely deal on such a beautiful car. I don't need it anymore. I'm about to pack this boat up and head south. So holla at me. I'm out of here in a day and a half, so I'm gonna check everything out, make sure it's ready to go. Tonight it's supposed to snow, and that means tomorrow everything will be covered. So I need to check everything out today and get everything ready as possible to head out in a day and a half. Let's do it. Game face, baby, game face. So part of getting ready is making sure that these little things won't get me this time. Like this. See that right there? On the way up from Florida, on the other side, I had this on the shroud. And it's for a pulley that I don't really use right now. But I need to turn it inboard, because this, if I have to heave to, this right here will catch the sail and rip it. I already went through that. Not going through that again. That would be insanity. So we're gonna fix this. We're gonna turn this around. I saw a couple other things I want to tighten up. I also want to get my springboard. Where is it? My springboard down there. Put away. Do all these little things now, and then, yeah, early Sunday morning, Monday morning at the latest, out of here, baby. So here I am trying to decide exactly what to pack and what to take. Well, I'm not taking her, that's for sure. I am taking her, that's for sure. What to do. This loadout was fairly simple because it was really just clothes and a few items from Costco. I planned to do the real provisioning while waiting for my crew in Norfolk. That way, we'd have the freshest food for our trip to Florida. Since the route to Florida took us offshore on the Atlantic Ocean, it was time to put the 8-man life raft back in its cradle. nice and secure, and I hope we never need it. The painter is a line that secures the raft to the boat. It also actuates the canister that inflates the raft. So it's very important to use the best knot you can to secure it to the boat so that it doesn't float away as soon as it is inflated. All loaded up, ready to go. So I'll show up early tomorrow morning. We out of here. On a sunny 25-degree departure morning, I said a prayer and I felt more ready than ever before to cast off the lines and sail solo down to Norfolk, Virginia, where I'd meet my crew. Money, baby. After that toss, I knew it was going to be a good day. I'm out of the slip. This was the moment of truth, the commencement of a journey that was 2 years in the making, because when I purchased the boat 2 years ago, I knew I'd have to take it back to Florida for chain plates. Now, I'm on my way. Those of you who rocked with me from the beginning know that the trip from Florida to Virginia totally kicked the crap out of me. I'm determined to make the trip back to Florida a much, much better experience. It's about to go down.